Hey Windows 11 users, tired of the sluggish context menu? In today's quick guide, we're diving into the keywords to fix those frustrating freezes and delays. Let's speed things up together. Press the Windows key plus R key. Type msconfig and hit enter. In the System Configuration window, click on the Service tab. Checkmark Hide all Microsoft services. Then, click Disable all. Click Apply. Then OK. And finally, restart your system. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Search for Registry Editor. Right-click and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes to grant permissions. In the Registry Editor, expand hkey_classes_root. Then click on Directory. Expand Background. Then Shellix. And finally, Context Menu Handlers. Right-click on File Sync X and click Delete. Confirm with a Yes. Similarly, right-click on Sharing and click Delete. Confirm with a Yes. Right-click on Windows Start and restart your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.